Hi, it's Neil again. Welcome back to my bedroom, and I have the SOAIY or something like that star projector here. And I have gotten a few different star projectors, if you've been watching my videos, because every time I get one, somebody steals it from me. One of my kids take it, or friends, or something like that, because these things are freaking awesome. So the way they comes in this box, and you see it comes with a USB wall adapter, and then the USB wire for it as well. And then here we have the actual projector, and so this is what it looks like. It runs off of batteries, and it can also be plugged in. You can see right there is the micro USB port. It says whatever, it says the ROHS on the back. But then here, if you look at it, you can kind of see the buttons, and I'll explain to you. Like this one here is the power button. This one here turns on and off or changes the colors of the nebula system. And this one here turns off the stars. And this one here makes it work with sound. So when it makes sound, it flashes. So, okay, so there we've got the different settings. So let's see what we can do here. What I'm gonna do now is, you've probably seen a little bit of it here, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn off the light here, shine the camera up at my roof of my bedroom so we can see what's happening. So let's see the light off here. So there's the light off, and now we're facing it up. So you can see, this is the stars, and so it's really sweet. It totally takes up my room here. You can tell it's running off of the batteries. I can't see the buttons, so I don't know which one I'm pushing, but there I can change the colors of the sky, whichever color I want, or I can turn it off and just have stars, and they twinkle. You can kind of see they kind of get darker and lighter as it goes. And there I can turn off the moon if I want the moon off too. But there's everything off, and see the moon and the stars. I guess the moon and the stars kind of go on and off together. But there we go. So we can see the different settings there. And I like the blue, and I usually just leave it on that. But that's kind of the way it works, and it lights up this whole room. It's hard to tell here how big of an area it is, but my room is probably 20 feet by 15 feet. It's pretty big. And there's the light on again. So shine it back towards me. And there we go. And so we can see there's the stuff shining on me. But it's really cool, and you can see right now I've already charged it, so it's running off of batteries. And it lasts a pretty long time on just the batteries, so it's kind of cool if you charge it like each day, and then you put it on the floor or whatever at night, and then it turns itself off after, I don't know, a couple of hours or something like that. So it's great for as you're going to bed and all. I really like it. I love these star projectors. And yeah, let's just see what else came with here. It came with SOAIY is the brand. So that's the brand of this particular one. And then here's the manual for it. Just look at it real quick here. Just see what it's got, if it says anything there. Just kind of talks about safety. Talks about the different buttons of which button does what. You can, the colors of the lights. And it looks like you can push the number 3 light for the laser light on, or start twinkling light effect. And third button's the moon pattern. So it just kind of tells you all the different buttons and what they do. So it's pretty cool. Different languages as well. But that is it. So I really like the star projector. Here's just another little look at it again. Hopefully you can see I don't know, the light's on so bright. Oh, there you can kind of see the button. So there's the on button, the LED ones, and the rest. So that's it. Be sure and like my video and subscribe. Definitely subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to grow my channel up so I can eventually make some money at this. But be sure and subscribe. And thanks for watching. And I'll do some more reviews of some cool stuff next time. Thank you. Bye.